So I had this idea. So I just recently got Amazon Prime, and with Amazon Prime, you get Twitch Prime. And originally I was just gonna sub to Kenny Beats, but then I had the idea. There's a girl, and she's pretty famous. She's on Twitch. She's pretty famous for other shit though. Her name's RAE LIL BLACK. I'm not gonna say why she's famous. If you know, you know. But the idea is, instead of Kenny Beats, what if I sub to her and then record her saying my name and turn it into a beat tag?
So at this point, I had a dilemma. I had a choice to make.
At this point, I was like a lost cause, so I needed some help. So I called up my friend, told him the idea. So, you know, called him up, told him the idea, and all you could hear from the background was his girlfriend like,
"Fuck Kenny Beats."
So, Kenny, I'm sorry, but you get my sub next month. Maybe. We businessmen out here.
I played most of the original, like, not original, but like I played like 3.
Now, say my name.
Okay. Thank you, Skage. Skage.
When you try your best but you don't succeed, how could this happen to me?
Skakes. Skakes. It was Skakes. Thank you so much for this first time sub. Thank you. Thank you.
When you get what you want.
Alright, boys. We got it. Off camera, this is what I ended up chopping up.
Skakes. Skakes.
I'm just gonna cut out some low end on both of these.
Skakes.
Just gonna add a flanger now, spice it up a bit.
Skakes.
So just want to add some reverse reverb to both of them now.
Skakes. Skakes. Skakes.
Here they are both done.
Skakes.
And then we got the second one.
Skakes.
So yeah, anyways, here's it on a beat.